Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick in Gmail that can save you hours every week: how to use email templates. If you're tired of copying and pasting the same text over and over, this is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, save, and use templates to streamline your emails and work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. First, open Gmail. Look at the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon. That's your settings button. Click it, then select See All Settings. This opens Gmail's full settings menu where you can customize your email experience. Next, find the Advanced tab, usually towards the far right. Click on it and scroll until you see Templates. Hit Enable next to it. This unlocks the ability to create, save, and insert templates directly into your emails. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and now you're ready to see templates in action. Back in your main Gmail interface, click Compose to start a new email. In the bottom right corner of the Compose window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on that to open more options. Here you'll find Templates. Click it and you'll see a list of all your saved templates. Pick the one you want and it will instantly appear in your email, fully formatted and ready to go. The best part? You can personalize it for each recipient. Update names, add specific details, and make it feel personal. Once everything looks good, hit send. That's it. You've just saved yourself a ton of time and ensured your emails stay consistent and professional. Using Gmail templates is that simple, but it can make a huge difference in your daily workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.